सत्य एंड सृष्टि क्लासेस में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम क्लास 6 साइंस के चैप्टर 7 दैट इज गेटिंग टू नो प्लांट्स के कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ए व्हीट प्लांट बिलोंग्स टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ हर्ब, श्रब, ट्री, नन ऑफ दिस। ए व्हीट प्लांट बिलोंग्स टू ए हर्ब, इट इज ऑफ short height, so option A is correct. Yes. Next question. A lemon plant belongs to which category? Herb, shrub, tree, none of these. Lemon plant belongs to a shrub. Yes. So option B is correct. Next question number 3. Classify neem in one of the categories of plants. Herb, shrub, tree, all of these. Neem is a tree. Your option C is correct. Question number 4. A plant has weak stem and cannot stand upright. It spreads on the ground. It is called a option given are herb, shrub, creeper and climber. That is weak stem and cannot stand upright and spreads on the ground. It is creeper. So option C is correct. Next question. The plants having weak stem and take support on neighboring structure is called a what? It is called as climber. So option D is correct. Question number 6. Which part of the plant is not always present? Leaf, root, fruit and stem. लीफ, रूट, स्टेम ये तो ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट होता है। जैसे कि कुछ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स है जिसमें फ्रूट नहीं होता है तो ऑलवेज नॉट प्रेजेंट पूछा गया है, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, दैट इज फ्रूट। यस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट हैव ब्रांचेस? नीम ट्री, ओक ट्री, बनियान ट्री एंड कोकोनट ट्री. branches. So your option that is correct is D, that is coconut tree. Yes. In a mango tree the branches appear, option given are at the base of stem, higher up on the stem, nowhere on the stem, none of the above. In a mango tree the branches appear higher up on the stem. So option B is correct. Yes. Next question. The points on the stem from where leaves grow are called nodes, internodes, axils or buds. The points on the stem from where leaves grow are called as nodes. So option A is correct. Next question. Petals are modified leaf, usually colored, forms part of corolla of flower, all of these. Yes, option D is correct, that is all of these. Next question. Which part of a plant helps to carry food to all parts of the plant? Option given are root, leaf, stem and flower. That is your correct answer is stem, which helps to carry food to all parts of the plant. That is C. Yes. Next, plants take carbon dioxide from air through tiny opening found in the fruits, leaves, roots, stems. That is leaves. Next, question number 13. Plants spread out their branches and leaves in order to get more sunlight, to make it more beautiful, get more rain, provide us with shade. Correct answer is to get more sunlight, that is option A. Next question. Which part of the plant grows in the soil? stem, leaf, root, seed. It is root which grows in the soil. Next question. Most of the fruits have flowers, leaves, root hairs and seeds. Fruits have seeds. So option D is correct. One of the following is a flowering plant. This one is option given are mushroom, moss, maize and fern. Flowering plant. Your option is C. That is maize. Yes. Next, the male parts of the flowers are called pistils, carpels, stamens or styles. Male parts is called as stamens. Here option C. Next, question number 18. The female part of a flower is called stamen, pistil, anther, none of these. Female part is called as pistil. Okay. It is otherwise also called as carpel. Instead of pistil, if carpel is given, then carpel is your right answer. Next, a pistil consists of ovary, style, stigma, all of these. That is D, all of these. Next question. The flat green portion of the leaf is called petiole, lamina, leaflet and stipule. The flat green portion of leaf is called as lamina. That is option B. The plants having leaves with parallel venation have dash, tap roots, lateral roots, fibrous roots, none of these. Plants having leaves with parallel venation have fibrous roots. Yes. So option C is correct. Next question number 22. The plants having leaves with reticulate venation have tap roots, lateral roots, fibrous roots, none of these. Reticulate venation have tap root. Yes. Your option A, that is tap root. Next, the loss of water from the leaves of a plant is called evaporation, respiration, transpiration or transportation. Loss of water from leaves is called as transpiration, that is option C. Next, the swollen part of the base of a flower from which the holes of the flower radiate is called the thalamus, pedicel, pistil or carpel. That is your thalamus. Next question. After fertilization, ovary is transformed into fruit, seed, leaf or none. After fertilization, ovary is transformed into fruit. Yes. Next, question number 26. After fertilization, ovules grows into fruit, seed, leaf, none of these. After fertilization, ovule grows into seeds. Okay, option B is correct. ये ध्यान से याद रखना, आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन ओवारी फ्रूट होता है और ओव्यूल सीड होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्मॉल फाइन पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट इन द एंथर आर कॉल्ड pollen grains, filament, stigma and style. Fine particles present in the anthers are called as pollen grains. Next, the small green leaves at the base of flowers are known as sepals, petals, bud, anther. That is sepals. Option A is correct. Next question. Which of the following is not the primary function of stem? That is conduction of water, photosynthesis, formation of branches, bears flower and fruits. कौन सा प्राइमरी फंक्शन नहीं है स्टेम का? कंडक्शन वाटर तो है ही, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्रांचेस ये भी है, बियर्स फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स. सो इसमें नॉट पूछा गया है तो करेक्ट आंसर इज योर ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस। नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच प्लांट्स मेक फूड, दैट इज योर फोटोसिंथेसिस। यस, ओके।